If your dog loves bull sticks, this is a nice large package, 12 in this package here by Cadet. They're 9 to 12 inches long. As you can see here, they're low in fat and high in protein. They're all natural, as you can see here. So I just wanted to show you what the bag looks like. You can see inside the bag. It's a really high quality item. It's a fantastic, for the dog is going to love them. It's good for the teeth. It's good for the nutrition. All in all, it's a great product. You can just see how big they are in different shapes and sizes. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors. It is a premium dog chew. Net weight, as you can see there, 1.32 ounces, pound and 32 ounces, you can see there. So it's quite a bit here. It's large. Your dogs will definitely love these, and they got some nice flavor to them. So I know my dog loves them quite a bit. I just want to show you what they look like. They're large, again, between 9 and 12 inches long each one, and they'll last quite a bit. And this is a big package of 12. So there's quite a bit in here. They're going to go a long way, and they're going to last quite a long time. Your dog's going to absolutely love these. My dog does, and your dog will too, definitely. You can see here, single ingredients, nothing much in it, wholesome, tasty, very simple, high quality stuff.